Hi buddies, it's me, Titi. Today we are going to make orange pineapple frozen yogurt popsicles. I love the combination of oranges, pineapples, and bananas and mixed with frozen yogurt. What a great treat. Before we begin today, remember that Titi wants you to be extra safe. So make sure you always have a grown-up there with you in the kitchen to help out. Well, the first thing you need is a blender, since we'll be blending together some popsicles. And let's go ahead and add 1 cup of apple juice. The next thing we need is 1 chopped up banana. Let's follow that with 1 chopped up orange. And now half a cup of pineapple. And finally, we need some yogurt. This is 1 cup of Greek yogurt, just plain flavor. Terrific! Now let's put the lid on nice and tight and blend it up. Today we're gonna make 6 popsicles, so I have my mold that holds 6 4-ounce popsicles. Now let's take some popsicle sticks and stick them in. And now to put them into the freezer until they solidify. Our popsicles are nice and cold now, so let's take them out of the mold and give them a taste. That's extra good! It tastes like a tropical vacation in a popsicle. The first thing that comes through is the pineapple and the orange, and the banana gives it a little bit of sweetness and creaminess. This is a good one. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I had a wonderful time making these delicious popsicles, and I hope you will give it a try at home too. It's such a delicious, juicy, refreshing, and healthy treat during the summertime. I'll see you again soon, and happy creating!